Hello, welcome to DK Plaza. This video is about what a detailing company should be, a wholesome and complete one. Besides detailing cars and motorbikes, we are also a leather restorer. And you have seen all the videos earlier on about detailing leather restoration on leather products. Such as furniture, sofas, and also car seats, yeah, and also a pair of shoes, I believe. So we believe that to be a complete detailing company, leather restoration should be included. Leather restoration should be in the picture or part of a division of a detailing company. Okay, besides cleaning leather, applying leather conditioner or plastic conditioner, one should have an idea or a skill set to restore leather, because a lot of car seats are still having leather seats or even composite. So we work together with Stahl, STAHL, and Stahl is one of the biggest leather and vinyl restorer. It is a chemical company, but one of the division is entirely leather and vinyl. So we are in partnership with Stahl, and as a global trader, we would like to recommend you to pick up this this know-how, and you can always contact us, and we are able to coach you and guide you every single step on leather restoration. So what we are trying to tell in this video as well is that what we cannot understand is why would anyone use leather cleaners or leather conditioner or plastic cleaner or plastic conditioner when the other products could not complement what you do, which means that if the leather cleaner or conditioner that you use can clean the leather, why not also the maker of these cleaners and conditioner also is able to coach you on restoring leather, such as putting the color back, restoring the colors, and able to transform leather that is totally discolored into back to its original situation. Okay, so we would advise that that one do not just pick up any leather restoration brand, but rather consult with us, because we have one of the best, in fact we are the best leather restorer using Stahl products worldwide. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do send us questions and anything you wish to know about leather or vinyl restoration. Thank you.